Good morning, everyone. So for this week's setup, I'm looking at GBPJPY, and currently I am looking for a buy. I actually entered this pair earlier last week, and I'm actually currently in profit, but I will break down the pair and what prompted my analysis for a buy. So first things first, we're on the daily chart. We are in an uptrend, as you can see. We see higher highs and higher lows, and we also see that price is maintaining above the 50 EMA as another confluent buy signal. So we have two buy signals on the daily chart. I'm going to jump down to the 4-hour, and right here we're going to be looking for structure, looking for market structure. So second, I'm now going to go ahead and pull out my trend line. It is a little bit choppy, but I ended up going for the slowest swing here. I saw this other point for a rejection zone, third, fourth, fifth. I ended up drawing my trend line somewhere around this realm. And then from there, I then wanted to pull out one of my favorite tools. It's the Fibonacci from this swing low, which would be the most recent at the time, to the most recent swing high. Drag it out for more clarity. As you can see, price came down, is rejecting the 61.8 zone. That is another confirmation on top of what we've already stated. And then also too, within the retracement, within the pullback to the 61.8, we can also look for one of my other favorite tricks, is a fib trick, as I like to call it, is we can see if the full move has been completed, and I call this like the ABCD move. So we can see here from the top, and we bring it down from this low, and you can see if price came down, wicks, body maintained below the structure, came down to the minus 27 to the minus 61.8, completing the move, giving me another confirmation and more confidence to price is going to respect this move. So I'm going to highlight this zone of my fib trick, showing and reminding myself that price has completed this move and price is more likely to reverse from this area. Not to mention, we're also in the golden zone. I do see price that is, we are fighting to maintain above that 50 EMA, but previous to that, price was actually below it. So I ended up dropping down to the 1 hour to see where price was, and price was actually still just below the 50 EMA. But we had price was in the uptrend. On the daily chart, we had higher highs and higher lows, great market structure. It was above the 50 EMA in the daily chart. We have market structure on the 4-hour. We have higher highs and higher lows. We have a trend line. We have the Fibonacci 61.8 rejection zone. We have candlestick analysis. We have dojis, and we also have a lot of price action, a lot of consolidation. When consolidation happens, price tends to rallies in a certain direction. So in this case, I'm looking for buys. I went down to the 15-minute for an entry price, and as you can tell, I entered off of this candle right here, which I saw this very strong bullish engulfing candle. It was about 10 a.m. I believe New York time, and this was my actual buy zone. And my take profit, I'm targeting, I'll jump to the 4-hour for you. My overall target, I want to target this minus 61.8. My first target, I want to target this minus 27. So this would be my first target, and this would be my partials, and this would be my full take profit up here at the minus 20, at the minus 61.8, excuse me. I'm going to drag this out for clarity. We can see that price is respecting more, entered kind of more at that 38.2, and I'm going to put my stop loss just below this 61.8, giving us just over a 1-to-4 ratio, which is very healthy trade ratio. And we're currently in this trade. The market is about to open in a couple hours, and we're going to see how that trade plays out. But if you'd like to know more and you want me to break down any other pairs during the week, please leave your comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.